Looking to display your categories, tags, or custom taxonomies in an engaging, stylish layout on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the Taxonomy Listing Block from Nexter Block. Perfect for showcasing post categories, product tags, or any custom taxonomy in a great Masonry, Metro, or Carousel layouts. Whether you are looking to showcase post categories, custom taxonomies, or product categories, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nexter Blocks Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nexter Blocks Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nexter Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nexter Block Pro plugin, go to Nexter Block, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nexter Blocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nexter Block Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the Taxonomy Listing Block. To do that, go to Nexter Blocks, then Blocks, and search for Taxonomy Listing. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of Taxonomy Listing Block from Nexter Blocks. First, make sure you have added thumbnail images to your taxonomy, like whatever you want to show, categories, tags, or your custom taxonomy. You have to make sure you have added thumbnail to them. Otherwise, it will show a placeholder image over here. From the style section, you can select from 3 predefined styles: Style 1, Style 2, and Style 3. Each will add a unique style to your taxonomy listing. Then from the layout, you can create a grid layout, you can create a Masonry layout, you can create a Metro layout, or you can create a carousel as well. We'll see each one by one. Let's see the grid option. Then from the select taxonomy drop down, you have to select the taxonomy. You can select categories, tags, or even custom taxonomies. Whichever taxonomy you select, make sure you have added proper thumbnails. Then from the vertical alignment section, you can align the content vertically. Then from the horizontal alignment, you can align the content horizontally. Then from the query tab, you can adjust what you want to show in the listing. From the hide empty toggle, you can hide any taxonomy that doesn't have any post. Then from the hide sub taxonomy, you can hide child taxonomies or child categories, if I say it easily. As you can see, we had 2 child categories over here. Those are removed now. Similarly, from the hide parent taxonomy, you can hide the parent taxonomies like that. Then from the include terms ID section, you can sort taxonomies by ID. You can add multiple IDs separated by comma. Similarly, you can exclude taxonomies by ID. Then from the display taxonomy section, you can set how many items you want to show. Then from the offset taxonomy, you can remove items from the beginning. Let's say if you select 1, the first item will be removed. Then from the order by drop down, you can order the taxonomies by ID, author name, title, name, slug, date, modified date, or random. That will order the taxonomies randomly on every page load. Then from the order section, you can order them in ascending or descending order based on your selected order type. Then from the custom query ID, you can show taxonomy by custom query. For that, you have to use custom code. You can check the link in the description below for more details. Then from the column manage section, you can set how many columns you want to show in a row. Then from the column gap or space section, you can adjust the spacing between the columns. In the extra options, there will find some additional options. From the display count toggle, you can show how many posts a particular taxonomy has. Then from the display description toggle, you can show description. If you have added description to your taxonomy, you can show them over here. Then from the display description limit toggle, you can limit the description by letters, you can set maximum number of letters, or by words, you can set maximum number of words. Then from the display dots toggle, you can add dots at the end. Let's disable it for now. Then from the show image size toggle, you can set the image size. Then from the taxonomy not found text section, you can set the text when no taxonomy matches a query. Now let's see the Masonry option. For that, we'll see this demo. This will add a Masonry layout. For the Masonry layout, you will find the same options as we saw in the grid layout. Now let's see the Metro layout. Here again, you will find same options except in the columns manage section. Here you can set number of columns you want in a row. Then from the select style section, you can select from different predefined styles for the Metro layout. Or you can even add a custom layout. For the custom layout, we have to add the values in width is to height ratio for an item. You can use this pipe separator to add multiple values to target multiple items. Like we have targeted 8 items individually with these values. If you change any values, it will affect the layout. Then from the column gap or space section, you can manage the spacing between the columns. Now let's see the carousel layout. It will create a carousel with your taxonomy listing. Rest of the option will remain same as you saw in the grid layout. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. From the title, you can change the taxonomy title typography. You can even use global typography. You can adjust the text color, box shadow for normal and overstates. Then from the title background toggle, you can adjust the padding in the title background. You can adjust the background, border radius for normal and overstates. You can even adjust the box shadow. Then from the title underline toggle, you can add an underline to the title. Then from the top offset, you can adjust the top offset of the underline like this. You can adjust the height, size, color for normal and overstates. If you have selected the carousel layout, you will find this carousel options. From here, you can adjust the style of the carousel. From the slider mode, you can change the slider mode to horizontal or vertical. You can adjust the slider speed. You can select active slide. From the next previous section, you can move one column or all visible columns. Then from the column gap, you can adjust the spacing between the columns. You can make the slider draggable. From the infinite mode toggle, you can loop the slider infinitely. From the pause on mouse hover toggle, you can pause the slider on mouse hover. From the autoplay toggle, you can play the slider automatically. You can adjust the autoplay speed. Then from the show dots toggle, you can add dots navigation to the slider. You can select a predefined style for the dots navigation. You can adjust the border color. You can adjust the above spacing. From on hover dots toggle, you can show the dots on mouse hover only. And from the show arrows toggle, you can add arrows to the carousel. You can select from different predefined styles. You can adjust the background color, icon color, hover background color, hover icon color. From the outer arrows toggle, you can place the arrows outside the carousel. Then from on hover arrows toggle, you can show the arrows on mouse hover only. Then from the center mode toggle, you can adjust the style of the center slide. You can adjust the center padding. You can add effect to the center slide. From the center slide scale, you can scale the center slide. From the normal slide scale, you can scale down the normal slides. From the normal slide opacities, you can adjust the opacity of normal slide to create a difference between the active slide and the normal slide. Then from the trim space toggle, you can trim additional spaces. Then from the wheel navigation toggle, you can change the slide on with mouse wheel. By enabling the wait for transition toggle, you can change the slide only once the transition is finished. Then from the keyboard navigation toggle, you can change the slide with your keyboard arrows. From the auto scroll toggle, you can automatically scroll the slide. You can even adjust the slider speed. Then from the content loop tab, you can adjust the style of each item. From the whole overlay color section, you can add an overlay color. You can add border radius. You can add custom transform CSS. You can set the transition duration. You can set CSS filters. You can set box shadow for normal and hover state. Then from the inner content option, you can adjust the style of the content inside the item. You can adjust outer padding, inner padding. You can adjust background color, hover background color, border, hover border color, border radius. Then from the no taxonomy found tab, you can adjust the text style. When no posts are found, you can adjust the typography, color, background. From the extra options tab, you can hide the overflow or show the overflow. Now if you enable the display count toggle, we'll find this count tab. From here, you can adjust the count style. You can adjust padding. You can add a text after the count number. You can adjust the width and height You can adjust the top and bottom offset. You can adjust the left and right offset. You can adjust typography. You can adjust color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and overstate. Similarly, if you have enabled the display description toggle, you will see this description tab. From here, you can adjust the description style. You can adjust margin. You can adjust the text alignment. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust color, opacity for normal and overstates. On the description background toggle, you can adjust the padding of the description background. You can adjust background, border radius, box shadow for normal and overstate. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which you have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the taxonomy listing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.